Another day, another English lesson. Quantifiers, both of, neither of, all of, and none of. In everyday English, we often want to talk about two or more people or things, sometimes to include them, and sometimes to say they are not part of something. 4 useful phrases for this are both of, neither of, all of, and none of. These phrases help us say how many people or things are involved in a situation. Let's look at what each one means and how to use it. Both of. Use both of when you are talking about two people or things, and you mean the two together. Examples. Both of my parents work at the hospital. My mother and my father work there. I liked both of the movies. There were 2 movies, and I liked each one. Grammar tip. We usually use both of with a plural noun or object pronoun. Both of the students. Both of them. Neither of. Use neither of when you are talking about two people or things, and you mean not one or the other. 0 out of 2. Examples. Neither of the buses came on time. There were 2 buses. Bus A was late. Bus B was also late. Neither of them knows the answer. 2 people. Both are unsure. Grammar tip. Even though you are talking about 2 people, the verb is usually singular. Neither of the answers is correct. All of. Use all of when you are talking about 3 or more people or things, and you mean every one of them. Examples. All of my friends are coming to the party. Everyone in the group is coming. I ate all of the cookies. There were many cookies, and I ate every one. Grammar tip. Use all of with plural count nouns, like friends, books, or uncountable nouns, like water, money. None of. Use none of when you are talking about 3 or more people or things, and you mean not even one. 0. Examples. None of the lights are working. There are many lights. All of them are off. None of the students did the homework. No one completed it. Grammar tip. You can use none of with plural or uncountable nouns, just like all of. Now watch and complete the sentences with both, neither, all, or none. One. All of the vegetables are organic. 2. Neither of the cups is broken. 3. Both of his eyes are closed. 4. None of the flowers are blue. 5. All of the clothes are on sale for 50% off. 6. None of the cars are electric. 7. Both of the cats are black. 8. None of the windows are open. 9. Neither of his eyes is closed. 10. All of the watches are expensive. 11. None of the birds are white. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications.